Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another unboxing video. And as you can see here, this came all the way from Australia. I reached out to Mass Watches about sending over a watch for presentation on the channel, and they agreed to send one over, and I don't need to send it back. So this will be a paid promotion, which you probably see in one of the corners of the screen here, probably up here. You'll see a little tag calling this a paid promotion, and that's because I was sent this watch and I get to keep it. So let's turn this around and get it cut open. Cutting away from my fingers, so not to risk cutting myself. Close the knife, throw it to the side, and let's get this watch out of the package. Cardboard box, obviously. Okay, a little flap down here. Looks like it feels like a leather here. Yes, very nice. So this is the MAS watches, JCB. Very nice. Screw down crown. So let's unscrew that. Then wind up the movement. Let me zoom in. Sorry about that. Let's get this thing moving. I need to go back and look at the information on this watch, but I believe it has a Miyota 9019 or 9039 movement. I'll have to look it up, or I could be totally wrong. Yeah, very cool. Looking forward to spending some time with this watch, and we'll do a full presentation, go over all the specs. So it is a hacking movement as well. So 3, 6, 9, and 12. I think those will be loomed. Actually, we'll hit with the UV light here real quick. Nope, not loomed. So you have the quadrants that are loomed, 12, 3, 6, and 9. There's loom at those indices, and then the hands as well. So we'll do a loom shot in the full presentation video. So let's get this screwed back in. It's rather unique watch strap. I don't know if it's meant to look like a lizard strap. I'm pretty sure it's leather. Yep, genuine leather. Yeah, okay, so I was right. It is a Miyota 9039 movement. Big fan of the Miyota 9000 series movements. I like the smooth sweep of the second hand, the 8 beats per second, and also their thin movements. So the watches they are in are typically pretty thin as well. So Miyota 9039, 50 meter water resistant, sapphire crystal, and stainless steel. So yeah, very nice. I'll get this on wrist, and then we can close out the video. Let's get this plastic off the buckle. So it looks to be a stamped buckle and a stamped tang. Oh, that didn't quite work out, did it? Okay, third time's the charm. All right, let's get this on wrist. Yeah, sorry. So we have polished and brushed surfaces here. Polished bezel. It's a very nice looking watch. A nice curve there. And it is a domed sapphire crystal. It's got quite a good dome to it there, actually. So very cool. All right, let's get this on wrist. Okay, so I have a 6.5-inch wrist, and I am on the very tightest hold position. It feels a little bit tight on my wrist, but hopefully it'll stretch out a little bit and wear in. So there we go on my 6.5-inch wrist, 52mm wristband. All right, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.